Everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to recover deleted Telegram messages on desktop and Android and also iPhone. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so I am on the website. So to recover deleted Telegram messages on desktop and Android, is to just run Telegram desktop, enter settings and select advanced, and then just click on export Telegram data, and then just click on recover or export. And at this stage, confirming a confirmation message will appear, and you should select allow like this. And now you can just enter the settings again and select advanced, and then just export Telegram data. Then just select the items you want to export, such as photos, videos and groups, personal conversations, or even in channels and bots. Then tap on the export option. After uploading the information, all the information you want is available as export results.html file. Now just select show my data option and enter the folder. Now all of your accounts data, such as contacts, conversations, photos and videos and other information can be accessed. So this is for Android and desktop. For iPhone, you can just use iCloud backup. So just go to settings and click on general, select reset, and then erase all content and settings. In this section, you will access the restore file by selecting the reset from iCloud backup. Alternatively, you can also use iTunes. So first you need to make a backup from iTunes or Finder, and then just connect the phone to the computer and enter the iTunes Finder program. Tap on the phone icon in the top left and select your phone device. Then just click on restore backup option and select the latest backup you want. When the recovery process is done, you can see your deleted Telegram chats. So this is how you recover deleted Telegram messages. If you found this video to be helpful, guys, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.